The first bite is the same each time. This is a longitudinal bite, 1 centimeter distance. The second bite is a transverse bite, placed just after the exit of the straight suture. It is always a transverse bite, but either away from you or towards you. First, we do it away. Now complete the crucifix appearance by taking a bite in front of the visible suture, in this case on the outer part of the tendon, and exit in the central substance. You start again with the 1 centimeter straight bite in the substance of the tendon. This time, your transverse bite is towards you, placed further down the tendon to where you exited on the first longitudinal bite. Complete the crucifix appearance, taking a bite in front of the visible suture, in this case on the central part of the tendon, and exit in the center of the cut. Repeat this again. A 1 centimeter longitudinal bite. A transverse bite, again towards you. Complete the crucifix, in this case, taking a bite on the outer part of the tendon and exit at the site of the cut. Finally, a 1 centimeter longitudinal bite. A transverse bite, away from you, like when you started. Complete the crucifix, in this case, taking a bite on the central part of the tendon, and exit at the site of the cut. You can now tie your suture to the short end you left when you started. The Adelaide repair is a locking repair, so you have to pull the suture through from the very start rather than trying to pull it through at the end. This is a monofilament suture, so it requires 4 to 6 knots. Make sure you tie in parallel to the cut, and then you cut flush.